Jai Shri Ram. Hi everyone. Just to start off, I want to clarify that I'm not a saint. I'm not a guru. I'm just a 22-year-old working at a reputed company and I come from a very well known college in India. I just graduated this year and I just want to share my experience of manifestation. Now, when I say manifestation, I'm not talking about the 333 rule or the 1111. I am talking about the real manifestation, where your dreams actually turns into reality. And how does that happen? It happens with the power and blessing of Hanuman Chalisa. It's been 8 years since I have been chanting Hanuman Chalisa. Not every single day, but consistently over past 8 years. Now it's not like पिछले 8 सालों में कोई दिक्कतें नहीं आई, कोई डाउनफॉल नहीं आया. ऐसा पॉइंट भी आया है when I almost gave up, that I don't want to continue, when I just don't want to live anymore. और ये सब उसी दौरान हुआ जिस दौरान मैं हनुमान चालीसा का पाठ कर रही थी. Back in 2018, I randomly saw one video online and it just encouraged me to start with Hanuman Chalisa. Obviously, everyone starts reading Hanuman Chalisa when they are on the verge of breakdown. जब उनके लाइफ में सब कुछ बर्बाद हो रहा होता है, that's when everyone starts with Hanuman Chalisa. As far as I know, everyone around me started with Hanuman Chalisa when they were on the verge of breakdown. So similarly, it happened with me. 2018 March, if I remember it precisely, I started with Hanuman Chalisa. हर रोज अपने रूम में बैठकर बस हनुमान चालीसा का पाठ करना, बस उन्हें याद करना. And within a year, yes, it does not happen overnight. It took me a year. And within a year, I have seen changes in my life. Those were drastic. When I started with Hanuman Chalisa, I just had one motive, that I wanted to get rid of all my problems. I wanted to get rid of all my sufferings. And that is all. And I eventually got rid of all of them. I was happy again. And over the period of time, I realized कि Hanuman Chalisa holds greater powers, the power of manifestation. And today, I'll tell you how you can achieve all you have dreamt of with the power of Hanuman Chalisa. जब भी आप हनुमान चालीसा की शुरुआत करो, ये याद रखना कि हम हनुमान जी से पहले श्री राम को याद कर रहे हैं. स्टार्ट विथ वन माला जाप ऑफ श्री राम. अगर आपके पास एक माला नहीं है, तो आप बस 11 बार भी जाप कर सकते हो, बट श्री राम को ज़रूर याद कीजिएगा. नाउ आफ्टर अ माला जाप, कैन यू स्टार्ट विथ हनुमान चालीसा. हम एक दोहा पढ़ते हैं. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रजय निज मन मुकुर सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु जोदायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार. इस दोहे की पंक्तियों को पढ़ते हुए हमें इसका मतलब समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज़ हम इस दोहे के थ्रू ही हमारे कनेक्शन सेटअप करेंगे. इसका मतलब समझने के पूर्व वी हैव टू कंप्लीटली सरेंडर आवरसेल्व्स टू द पावर ऑफ हनुमान जी, कि अब बस आप संभाल लीजिए. वी आर नथिंग, वी आर नो वन to take control of our own lives. It's you. You know what's better for me, and you're gonna take care of me. I don't know how, but you are gonna take care of me. That is what I believe in my mind. इस दोहे का मतलब मैंने स्क्रीन पर दे दिया है. It's both in English and in Hindi. So make sure you know the actual meaning of what you're saying, because that's what is going to establish your connection with the ultimate power. After reciting the Doha, you can start with Hanuman Chalisa And after you complete Hanuman Chalisa, after you complete with those 40 lines of Hanuman Chalisa, एक और दोहा आता है which is पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसौ सुरभूप. And again, I have written the meaning of these lines on the screen. So make sure you know the meaning of what you're speaking, of what you're chanting. And again, chant this with all your heart, with all your dedication, and just a complete surrender. And that's how you read Hanuman Chalisa. After reading Hanuman Chalisa, depending on the time you have got, you can sit down and meditate in the name of Lord Ram. श्री राम का नाम लेते हुए हमें हमारी सारी इच्छाएं, सारे ख्वाहिशें जो हम चाहते हैं, the things that we have dreamt of, the things that we want to manifest in our life, we can recall those things. We can, while sitting down, you just have to think of what all you need in your life right now. Any one wish of yours, or maybe two, any problem that you want to get rid of, any desire that is yet unfulfilled, anything that you want in your life, any changes that you want to happen in your life. And I can assure you that within 21 days, you will have it. Maybe not exactly what you have asked for, but something maybe much better or something really close to it. But changes will happen. Along with manifestation, one thing that I can guarantee you will see in your life is His presence. You'll start feeling His presence around you. You'll start being fearless. It's been 8 years since I have established this beautiful connection. He's like an elder brother to me. हनुमान जी को मैंने हमेशा अपने बड़े भाई के रूप में देखा है. Whenever I had any problems in my life, I just run back to him and rant at him like I'm ranting at my elder brother. And I know that solution is going to be there. Within next 24 hours, he's going to take away my problem. He is going to bring me the solution. And I promise you, whoever is going to follow whatever I said in this video, whoever is going to keep Hanuman Chalisa as part of their routine, will at a certain point in their life will completely resonate with me. They will exactly feel what I feel right now. They'll exactly feel that protection around themselves in whatever situation they are in. So that is it for this video, guys. Again, I'm not a saint, I'm not a guru. I am just a 22-year-old and I'm just sharing what I have followed for last 8 years in my life, and I have seen big changes in my life. I just wanted everyone to be benefited by it, and I hope everyone be blessed with his presence and his protection, and everyone finds prosperity in their lives. Make sure you do subscribe, make sure you do comment, and share me your experiences with Hanuman Chalisa. And if there is anything I'm missing out in this video, please help me improve. Thank you so much.